Alright guys, what we're doing, we took the roller furling off. We took the roller furling off and we're going to clean the umbrella material that ends up on the when it rolls up, you get rid of the rest of the mildew. So we pulled it down, we're going to clean it and hose it off, get it the best we can, because I'm not going to go to the big name store and get the $30 mildew stuff or whatever. I made up a mixture of some stuff, soft scrub, just a little cap full of bleach to try and kill any mildew that's in it and whatnot. It's not too bad, it's kind of an overcast day, so it's a decent day to do this. And then we'll hose it off and we'll show you how putting it back up and get it back up and get it straightened around flying. And then we're ready to get out and get some sailing in. It's a great jib, good shape, great setup. So we'll do this, hose it all off, and then we'll get it out on the back up on the boat. All right, so what we're doing here is we found a little piece of umbrella that's coming apart and needs a little stitching. So I've got some sailcloth, a couple sail needles, and I'm basically going to kind of stitch this up by hand. It's not the really the best way to do it, but I'd rather stitch it while it's here on the ground now than later and have to take it back down again. So, you know, we'll hand stitch it. My mother has hand stitched stuff for eons and eons, and it always works just fine. So we'll hand stitch it up. It's only a 6-inch piece that needs to be stitched, so we'll stitch it up. But we got one whole side all clean. Going to clean the other, then we're going to go ahead and put this thing back up. A buddy of mine was going to come and help me tomorrow put it up, but it isn't that difficult. You can do it by yourself, so we'll go ahead and put this thing back up. Then I can roll it out and let it dry for a little bit, let the wind get to it. It's a pretty calm wind, so that's another great day to do it, is it's calm out. But it's moving along pretty good. We'll run 2 rows of stitching on it, and that'll make it sturdy enough to not worry about it. Well, we got the jib all up and ready to go. On this jib line so it doesn't flash and flop all over the place, but it's up, it looks good. It's trying to get it a little bit dry before I reel it in the roller furling, but I think I'll reel it in now, just for the simple fact as you can see, we roll it right up and it just gives us that ability to be able to work from within the cockpit. These are stop blocks here, so I can put the main up. I can do everything from the cockpit, and that's going to be nice. So anyway, we've got it rolled up. It's not the best, got a couple little things in it, but what we'll do is when the wind calms down later this evening, I'll unfurl it, roll it up a little tighter, but it looks pretty good. And it looks a whole lot cleaner, and that's the main thing. So it looks all right. Boat's coming along, it's looking good. We got a little cabinet we're going to put up in the bathroom and paint. I painted the seats white, both sides, so we're in pretty good shape. I'll take tomorrow and put the main up just to take a look at it, make sure everything's good with that. But I looked at it once, it looked like it was all right. So all right, peace out. All right, we pulled it out, tightened everything up, and re-rolled everything up nice. So it now has all the umbrella out, all the blue. You don't see the mold anymore or mildew. So anyway, she's up and ready to go. A couple more things to do. I've got a little bit of blue paint to put on these little teeny seats, get the cabinet up, and a couple other things today, and we are just about ready.